Good day. Today I am working on door number 3 for my quail cages. I'm going to do ice blue from Floetrol, blue Sapphire, and blue Topaz. I am going to put white around the outside and spray it, blow it around with the blow dryer. These are actually canvas boards, boards I bought from the dollar store, but we thought they would work perfect for doors. So, first I'm going to put some white on. I don't want quite as much this time as I put last time, but each one is going to be a little different anyway, I know that. That's why I'm doing this. Now, try light, medium, and then the dark around the outside. See how that works. It's kind of fun to try new things. Anyway, I'm going to use my blow dryer and blow the paint around. So, okay, now I just need to grab a straw because I tried to patch it up, but it didn't work very good. Okay, now I'm going to blow it. And I'm going to quit while I'm happy with it. I'm just going to wipe off those few little specks that flew, and now I'm happy with it. Alright, well, have a good day, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.